Let's learn together.
GiggleNishu.
Dada! Pretty flowers.
Let's help them grow. Nice and gentle.
They're drinking.
Come along, come and play. Happy
Buddy found
smiles
something.
all today.
What a busy
Garden
helper.
colors, fun to do.
Let's help it
see
grow.
what our
Grow,
hands
little
go
flower.
Water
Mud.
flowers
Our
through.
hands
1,
worked
2,
hard.
3.
growing tall for you and me.
Dig the soil, plant with care.
Little muddy hands are there.
Bubble, bubble, scrub away. Clean little hands every day. Front and back,
Fingers too.
happy hands for me and you.
So many colors.
Beautiful
Blue
butterflies.
and yellow.
Red and green,
Pretty butterflies can be seen.
painty fingers, what a sight.
Wash them clean, sparkling bright.
Bubble, bubble, scrub away. Clean little hands every day. Front and back,
Fingers too.
happy hands for me and you.
Look, Dada.
So beautiful.
Apple slices.
Yummy treat.
Wow.
Healthy snacks are fun to eat.
Let's wash our
Before
hands first.
we munch, here's what
Okay,
we
Mama.
do.
Wash our happy hands anew.
Bubble,
Look at
bubble,
Buddy.
scrub away. Clean little hands every day. Front and back,
Fingers too.
happy hands for me and you. Healthy hands,
Happy days.
smiles and hugs in lots of ways.
Family fun.
Love you,
Me
Dada.
and you. See
you
you
too.
on our next adventure too.